Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is sand the propeller blades down to a thickness of 15 thousandths of an inch. I'm using just a standard Great Plains Easy Touch bar sander with some 150 grit paper on it. You can use any sanding block you want. It really doesn't matter, but a longer block would be easier. We're going to take some masking tape, doesn't matter whether it's blue or any other color, and I want 4 strips on each end of the bar. Again, doesn't even matter if they're full, just get 4 of them. Just tuck those edges under, make sure that's nice and flat. So there's our 4 pieces on both sides. I've cut the piece of balsa that I gave you last week into a separate prop blade. I'm going to turn it over so I keep the outline, and I'm just going to start sanding. Hold the prop blade blank and just start sanding anywhere on the blank. It doesn't matter if the blank is uneven at this point, because when we get down to the final thickness, the tape will stop the block from going any lower. I'm not pressing really hard. I've got fresh paper on the block. I'm just going to let it do all the work. If you do press hard, especially when it gets down thin, you'll break this piece of wood. Now, an important thing here, we're getting there quite quickly, is that you want to keep cleaning this so that there's no bumps on your table, because those bumps could be 10 thousandths of an inch, and we're working down to 15 thousandths of an inch. So keep it clean, just gently sand. I'm not putting any pressure on the blade at all. I'm almost, not quite there, but I'm almost there. You'll feel the sanding block start to move really, really freely on your base, and that's what we want. Then we know that we've got the right dimension. And there's our prop blade, sanded right down to 15 thousandths of an inch. I can actually read through that, and that's flexible enough now to be molded.